100 Years Böhler Welding. Some stories do not begin with grand moments. Some begin with curiosity and a first step into the craft of welding. They begin with people who master heat, arc, and alloy. With those who carry knowledge through a lifetime. Because the future begins where experience meets curiosity. With hands that guide the arc, with expertise shaped over years at the weld seam, and with the belief that true quality is built layer by layer. One day, the moment comes when knowledge is no longer only learned, it is entrusted. The spark that has been carried for years is passed on. Across generations, something greater begins to grow. From hand to hand, from generation to generation, it becomes responsibility. Because welding is more than joining metal. It is about precision, about reliability, about welds that must hold under pressure, heat, and time. For technologies that move industries forward. With experience passed down from one generation to the next. 100 Years Böhler Welding.
Voestalpine, one step ahead.